Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Hope you guys are doing good. The market had a very good rally today, guys. Okay, so let's go to the charts and see what are actions for tomorrow. So this is Nifty in 15 minutes. So I've removed few levels. So Nifty is at its all-time high, which is really good. So we can definitely see the last 1 hour has shown that market is strong and bullish. You see this is a strong and bullish candle, but tomorrow I can definitely expect for a pullback down. Only if it crosses these levels I'll be looking forward to buy it. So buy it in a small quantity. So if it crosses 22,000, okay, let's keep the scenario. If market opens anywhere around if gaps down or gaps up, it has to come take a retest on this level. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, till then I'm not buying anything. Even if it opens here, it has to take a good support like this something and then go up. So if it crosses above, if it takes a good support at 22,000 and 22,190 or above, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it and I'll be holding it. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, today we reached our target exactly at 10 o'clock. I exited the trade with 1:5 ratio, which is a very actually I was holding it, guys. Imagine how many days I was holding it. I was holding it from 4 days. After 4 days it has reached its take profit. Okay, so here I exited. Okay, so next move is here, so I entered here and it hit the stop loss immediately. Then again I entered here. Now I'm holding it. My stop loss is around like 120 point something. So now my target is at 14 47235. Okay, so I'll be adding more position to my Bank Nifty only post 47,310, nothing before that. So I'll be squaring it off exactly at 27,000 to 27,230. I'll be squaring it off. So I'll be adding more position only post 47,310. So that's it for Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. So US oil, if we see here, I was about to buy it, but then what happened? I did not see any great bullish momentum in 1 hour time frame, so I did not buy. So I was about to buy it here, but I was not so confident enough, so I did not buy. Now I'm looking forward to short it because this is our. If you guys see this, both these blue lines are okay. I'll change it to red. Yeah, you see both these red lines are our key level strategy levels. Yeah, in 4 hour time frame. It is hovering here. Okay, so most probably market can more hover here and then come down or go up. So we have to give it time because it has given a good rally up, pullback again, rally up and consolidating. Here if it has to give a good rally, it has to cross around $78.60. Okay, so if it crosses $78.60, I'll be looking forward to buy it. I may take profit. Target will be at $82.49. I'm not looking forward to sell anything as of now because it has breached a trend line from the upper side and it is consolidating, which is really good. But these dojis are kind of a bit, what to say, concerning. If it closes negative, then I'll be looking forward to sell it. If it closes below $77.40, I'll be selling it. Nothing before that. Okay, next is gold. Gold, I was about to sell it here yesterday, but because it did not give a good closing here, I was unable to sell it. Here I took a very small trade. It hit stop loss immediately. So I had my SL here. Yeah, this is how it was. So it hit stop loss immediately. Just a minute. No, I did not take a trade here. Oh, I took a trade here. Sorry. So I take a trade here. So I'm still waiting on my levels. I took a trade here and it hit stop loss immediately. Okay, so now I'm still waiting on my levels. So if it comes to my level anywhere, I'll be looking forward to buy it. The momentum is very volatile. If you see these candles, you can see there are good buying pressures. From here it will give good selling pressures. If it gives good selling pressure, like if this kind of candle forms, I'll be shorting it. I'll be shorting it from here, that is 20,040 and below. I'll be shorting it. Till then, no trades on gold. Next is swing trading. We have 4 stocks. First, ACI. Most of the stocks are on weekly time frame, guys. ACI is on daily, others are mostly on weekly. So if you see ACI, This is a very good pattern, triangle pattern, which is given a breakout. It was a good breakout, so it went up. I want 1 or 2 red candles, so I'll be confident enough to enter. So if I get any red candles tomorrow, I'll be looking forward to enter, and my stop loss will be at 701. Okay, next is E-Mudra also same, gave a very good blast. People would have entered here, hit the stop loss, then people would have entered here, which gave a very good blast. This is a good support zone. This is done as a good support zone. So if market survives anywhere above 560, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be at 525. Okay, that is for E-Mudra. Next is JSW Infra on daily time frame. Just keep this in your radar, guys. This is near its resistance, which is really good. If it crosses its resistance and closes above 245, I'll be looking forward to buy it. So this is how it will look. Stop loss will be depending on the swing. Okay, next is Dixon Technologies. Is a very good stock. I've traded this a lot of times. It has given me very good profits. Now it has closed above one of its resistance. If I get a price of 668, 6,665 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 6,520. Okay, next is Fairchem on a weekly time frame. Okay, Fairchem on a weekly time frame. If you see, after a very big rally down, it is consolidating. It was consolidating and it has given a breakout. Okay, it has given a breakout, has breached its resistance. I'm expecting a pullback, and if I get a price of 1379 to 1440, I will be definitely buying it, and my take profit will be at 1962. No, 1969. Yeah, 1969. Okay, next is AVT Natural. AVT Natural has also given a good breakout, which was very strong. We did not get an opportunity to enter here. It opened up, so I'm waiting for it to give me 1 or 2 red candles so I can enter and set up a stop loss. If I get a price of 111, 115 or 110, I'll be looking forward to buy it. This stop loss is kind of okay. My stop loss will be at 93 rupees. Okay, upside momentum, we don't know. We always trail the stop loss. That is how we make big profits. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. So these are my plans for tomorrow. This is not a view or not a recommendation. This is just my plan, upcoming plan. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.